So if you've been throwing away your banana peels, stop scrolling and watch this video to the end, so that you can actually learn how to make fertilizer using your banana peels. So if you are joining us for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification, and then share this video with your friends, and trust me, they will enjoy it. Okay, welcome back again. So before I continue, let me eat probably one finger of the banana so that you will know that actually is real. Okay, so today we'll be making fertilizer using banana peels. So the things we'll be needing: one, we need your bottle, we need water, and we need, of course, we need our banana peels. Okay, one, the water is to make it soak. It's used to actually make it soak, to bring out the juice, the potassium that we need for the particular process. Okay, if you notice, almost all the fertilizers contains potassium, and banana peel is rich in potassium. So what we'll be doing, we'll take the peel and we'll dice it. After dicing it, we'll have to now put it in. So once you're done cutting this, okay, next, okay, see, I'm done cutting this already. I diced it into different pieces so it can fit into the bottle, and so that the water can soak the banana peel properly in the bottle. So next, what I will do next is I will pack this and put inside the bottle, and then allow it to soak for a couple of days. So keep watching while I will keep writing the descriptions in the video. Okay, so this is exactly 48 to 50 hours of allowing this banana peel to soak, so you can produce your banana peel fertilizer for your plants in your garden. So the next thing we do is we carefully sieve this. Okay. So guys, when you're done separating the homemade banana peel fertilizer, the next thing you have to be very careful of is the mixing. Okay, this I won't mix it here, but this is how you mix it: 1 liter of your fertilizer to 3 liters of water, to avoid the supplement being too harsh on your plants. And I also encourage you to spray it once every week on the leaf of the plant alone. So let's say you have your tomatoes, you can spray it once every week on your tomatoes. So guys, thank you so much for joining us to this point. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notification bell for more. Bye. See you on our next video. Thank you.